Hello, and a very warm welcome to another edition of Thailand Treads. So, where are we today? Today, we're visiting the Robinson Centre, which is a huge shopping centre located about an hour and a half north of Bangkok in Prachin Buri. As you will see, there's a huge variety of shops and stores. When I visited there was a motor exhibition, so lots of cars and motorbikes for you to look at. Lots and lots of food. We've got Starbucks and Amazon for you coffee lovers. There's the Tops supermarket selling all kinds of food you get in your supermarket, plus you've got your beauty products, household, and all at reasonable prices up here in Prachin Buri. There's also the cinema, lots of clothes, all reasonably priced, t-shirts, around about 250 baht. On the upper level, there's just 2 floors here. On the upper level, there is a variety of banks, which if you are visiting on holiday, you can exchange your British pounds or euros or dollars for your Thai baht, and the exchange rate was very good. Also on the upper level is the food court. A lot of the vendors require you to buy a ticket. As you go in, you can buy a ticket. Any money left over from your meal purchases you can exchange at the end, and you get your baht back. So that is the food park. Yeah, there's even a place selling musical instruments and lots of acoustic and electric guitars on display. It really does provide everything you could possibly need. So thank you for watching.